We got $4.75 for 3.2 miles right over at McDonald's, and that's exactly where it's gonna stay. Stop playing with me, I cannot take that. Next offer, we got $3 for 3 miles at Viva La Fiesta, and it's gonna be a party right over there, because we is not taking that. Stop playing with me. Trend continues. I had just made it into the yellow too. I was at a 26. Guess I'm gonna be at 25% after this one. $4, what's that, 2.9 miles at McDonald's? We're gonna hang out there a little bit longer, big dog. We do not play that.
Yes, sir.
Man, I have been on this dash for 15 minutes and this thing has not went off not one time. But you know what? It is all good because I just dropped off a Walmart Spark. That order came in at what? I believe it was $12 for 2 miles. Great miles to money ratio, like what, 6-to-1 miles to money ratio? And I got my next order already. $11, 2 miles, 54th Street Bar and Grill. Now this one came in on Uber, right? So I got Doordash going, Uber going, and Walmart Spark going. But I only got order on Walmart Spark and Uber so far. I have got nothing on Doordash. And I'm like, it's Saturday night, it's busy. I know it's orders out here. What is going on? Why am I not getting no orders? Is it because I got a low acceptance rate? Probably. We're gonna get into that. So I'm really debating, should I go ahead and bite the bullet and then raise my acceptance rate on Doordash? Because here's the thing, I don't need Doordash to make my money, but if I were to go ahead and bite the bullet and raise my acceptance rate, would that make a difference on my weekly earnings? Would that make it easier in conjunction with my Multiapping to hit my weekly goal? I wonder. Guys, I'm sitting here watching his live stream right now and he just shouted me out. So I gotta do the same thing. Look at this. I done had this thing going for 30 minutes and I ain't got not one order on DoorDash. That's why you Multi-app. Look, we back at Walmart. 1 hour in. No, okay, so I'm 40 minutes in. First offer on DoorDash. $5.25 for 3.5 miles at Chicken Salad Chick, and that's exactly where it's gonna stay. No thank you. DoorDash $16.50, 2.9 miles at 54th Street, and that's exactly where I'm at. I'll take that. So 40 minutes went by before I got my very first DoorDash offer. It was $5 and I declined it, and then right after that I got $16.50 for 2.3 miles. That's the best order I done seen in probably a full week. It's a stack, and I literally was pulling up to 54th Street already. It was perfect. So now I'm finna sit here and wait for these 2 orders, and it's only 2 miles away, so it's leaving me within my bubble. This is exactly what I needed to get this night off in the right direction, because I'm still within the first hour. Now it's gonna be a little wait time on these offers, but that's okay though, because first of all, it's 2 of them, and second of all, it's a 2-mile radius that I gotta, it's a 2-mile drive. So that's leaving me within my 5-mile radius is what I'm actually trying to say. So that's perfect. So if it's any order you want to wait for, it's an order that meets your miles to money ratio, because I got 2 $8 orders, and these orders are leaving me within my bubble, and it's a good cash flow. So I can't ask for nothing better than that. I will wait on these orders. Alrighty, made it to our first drop off. Let's go ahead and get this one done. Ooh, nice house. Boom, always use your DoorDash bag. Ooh, no picture needed. There you go. Have a good night. Alrighty, now we just got one more to drop off, and then we can see what this order total gonna be. It says $16.50 for 2 orders, but let's see. Handed that one to the customer. Let's see what this one turns to. Alrighty, first order, $8. At $7 for 3.8 miles, right back at 54th Street. But I'm about to head into Buffalo Wild Wings and get this order, and I'm about to start. The time is now 8:30. I am back at 54th Street. I did 2 Walmart Spark orders, an $11 order and a $12 order, 23 bucks right there. I did an $11 Uber Eats order, so that's 33. $16.50 on that DoorDash stack, so what's that, 43, 49. And I got another Uber Eats order I'm picking up now, that's 11 more bucks. So that make, hold on, where was I just at? 67 bucks. Hour and a half in, and I'm sitting at 67 bucks. Multi-apping. Now I am getting orders on DoorDash this evening, which I kind of figured I would, because it was really slow earlier today, and it's not usually like that on Saturdays. Usually I have a good consistent flow of orders to decline on any given weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So, you know, it was a little slow this morning, but no biggie. I'm a multi-apper. I'm about to go check in and see if they got this one ready, because I have been sitting here for a couple minutes. Boy, I just got fucked on this order, man. 2-3 cars pulled up and got their order before me. This order ain't even got that much on it. I'm about to see what's going on. The hell with that. That's it right there?
Yeah,
it was just it's just a rattlesnake pasta?
Yes.
It took, oh my God, what?
Make sure that you call in whenever you get here. We were super busy on the inside.
Hell to the no. Man, I've been waiting on this motherfucker for, man, this motherfucker's supposed to be done 14 minutes ago. Nah, fuck that. Fuck that. We got $4.75 for 3.2 miles right over at McDonald's, and that's exactly where it's gonna stay. Stop playing with me, I cannot take that. Next offer, we got $3 for 3 miles at Viva La Fiesta, and it's gonna be a party right over there, cause we is not taking that. Stop playing with me. Trend continues. I had just made it into the yellow 2 hours at a 26. Guess I'm gonna be at 25% after this one. $4, what's that, 2.9 miles at McDonald's? We're gonna hang out there a little bit longer, big dog. We do not play that. Alrighty, just got my next order. This one came in at $21. I forgot what it said, 21 something. I put a screenshot up, but check it out. We back at Walmart. I think I might even hit $100 for this evening shift, thanks to Walmart. I think it said we got $23, almost 24 on Doordash. Got, let me see, 2 Uber orders done on this shift, so that's another 22, probably gonna go up, but I accepted 2 $11 offers, so I expect those to go up some. And then here on Spark, I got 1, 2, this is my 3rd order. So look, I'm not gonna sit up here and try to do rough estimations. I'll calculate everything up once we get done with this one, but check it out. They got a tent. Let's go grab a tent. Alrighty, so we got a tent, a camping tent, just a cover, and then we got a bug cover for a hammock. So 2 items in the camping section. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy, got it done. I think I was in there all of 5 minutes and I got the shopping done. 2 items, let's go. $21 to drop all this off. It's super easy, let's go. Guys, so we are 2.5 hours in. Things are starting to slow up. I know Walmart Spark usually is done about 10 o'clock and I ain't got nothing else on DoorDash. Uber ain't fired off. So it's a good time to go ahead and check the earnings and see exactly where we at. So for this night shift, I came out and I got 3 Walmart Spark orders done. We got one for $21.64. That's the one I just dropped off, the tent and the hammock combo. $21.64 right there. Then we got an $11 order. And we also got an order for $12.24. Over here on DoorDash, I was able to scrape up $23.50. So let's go ahead and add that to the tally. Plus $23.50. Boom. And then on Uber Eats, I forgot exactly how many orders I did, but I remember, okay, so no, they said I got 4, so that must have meant I did 2 earlier and 2 now. Yep, so I did one $11 order that went up to $13.62, and the other one, the tips haven't came through all the way, so we just gonna count up 11 for that one. So $13.62 and 11. And that's it, we did DoorDash, Uber, and Walmart Spark for a total of 2.5 hours. Time is now 9:30, and we got $93 in those 2.5 hours. So that's actually pretty dang good for a Saturday night. Let's go ahead and divide that by 2.5. We're looking at $37.20 per hour. And that's how you want to do. You want to keep an hourly rate. I can't even talk right. You want to keep a high hourly rate because as a gig worker, there are going to be a lot of expenses that you're going to incur. You're going to have car repairs. You're going to have gas. You're going to have, you know what I'm saying, food expenses if you're eating out, if you ain't bringing lunch. You're going to have a lot of things that you got to pay for. So I like to keep my hourly rate high and keep my downtime to a minimum. And if it starts to get slow, I'd rather just end it and go home and work on another project. That way I'm keeping my cash flow going. Because no matter what I do, if it's gig work, you know, editing, doing some production on my YouTube channel or on other videos that I produce, I'm always trying to make money some type of way. So that's what I do when I'm out here maximizing. Look, if you maximizing the gig apps, I need you to drop a comment below. What's your favorite way to maximize? Is it a conjunction of a couple different apps? You know, do you make money with a W-2 and do some gig apps? Do you got some type of passive income with some stocks? Or, you know, got some type of financial literacy where you're making money as an investor? Let me know in the comments down below, because I'm very interested to know. And as always, leave me with a like and a subscribe. And if you don't, look, check out this next video. YouTube know what you need. YouTube gonna hook you up. So don't fret. Click on that next one and let's keep it going. I'll catch you in the next one.